Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to stop Facebook from automatically archiving your stories. If you don't want your past stories to be saved after they disappear, this quick guide will show you exactly what to do. Let's jump straight into it. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to adjust. Once the app is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three horizontal lines. That's your main menu, and it's where all your settings can be found. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and from the options that appear, tap on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage everything related to your account, privacy, and visibility options. Next, under the Audience and Visibility section, find and tap on Stories. This is where Facebook allows you to control who can see your stories and how they're stored after they vanish from public view. Inside the Stories section, look for an option called Archiving Your Stories. You'll see a small switch or toggle next to it. If it's turned on, that means Facebook is automatically saving a copy of every story you post. To turn this feature off, simply tap the toggle so it moves to the off position. Once you've done that, your stories will no longer be saved automatically. Any story you share will still stay visible for 24 hours, but after that, it will disappear completely. No archived copy left behind. This quick change can help keep your Facebook account cleaner and your content more private. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the automatic archiving of your stories. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a like and share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.